Hello and welcome to the Healthy Summer Drink Challenge. I'm Renee. Let's get started. Summer is a great time to have fun out in the sun, but we have to remember to stay hydrated. Hydrated means we need to drink plenty of liquids. So the challenge is, can you use the 4 H's to make a healthy summer drink? Well, what are the 4 H's?
Head, hands, heart, health.
That's right, Lenny. 4 H's are your head, heart, hands, and health. So can you use your head and your hands to make healthy summer drinks for people you love with your hearts? That's the challenge. Let's get warmed up. What are some healthy food choices?
Let's do
An
that.
apple.
An apple. That's a really good one. Any other healthy foods you can think of?
Carrots.
Carrots are healthy.
Broccoli.
Broccoli.
That's very healthy.
Yes, it is very healthy.
So asparagus, lemons, broccoli, berries, juices.
Well, some healthy drink choices could be milk, fruit juice, and water. Not so healthy choices, things like powdered drink mixes and soda. They have way too much sugar. All right, so what kind of drinks can you make for your family?
Strawberries, honey, and milk.
That sounds like a very healthy drink. Who did you make that for?
Frank and Dad.
Can you help balance a drink?
What?
That's it. Pour it right in there. Perfect. All right. Can you pick it up and pass it to your brother? Let's take this. Pass your water over to your brother.
It's gonna be super healthy. So I have lemonade that is new. I have a bubble water, and then I have chopped up some healthy popsicle.
Yeah.
And also my sister made them for the drink. My sister made these ice cubes,
Yeah, they've got,
these healthy ice
what
cubes.
do they have in them?
One has mint and the rest have blueberries, I think.
I think they're berry. I don't know. I don't remember.
The
what kind.
berries. And this one actually is honey. This one's honey with a mint in it. So it's very yummy.
Ice to each cup. A little bit of lemonade. Oh, right. Don't forget the second kind of ice.
One to me and one to my sister.
Get the cutting board out of the way.
One is gonna be with this, but I think she'll like it mixed in because she doesn't really like it.
Just a little. Good, that's good. Not too much.
This is my cup, and this is a stone.
Do you remember, Lenore, why we're not putting too much lemonade in the cup?
No.
What does it have in it?
It has sugar.
That's right. So did you hear that? We're cutting the lemonade down because it has a lot of sugar in it. We don't want to have too much sugar in our drink.
Great.
Okay.
And is there any sugar in the bubble water that you're adding?
No, there is not.
Okay.
Bubble and flavored water.
Wonderful.
Just bubbles and flavored water.
All right, so how did they do? Did Lenore and Clyde use the 4-H's to make healthy summer drinks? Let's take a look. Clyde chose strawberries, milk, and honey to make a strawberry cow for his dad. And he used water and blueberries to make blueberry water for his brother. I think Clyde won the challenge. Lenore chose lemonade but made it less sugary by adding some unsweetened raspberry lime flavored seltzer water. And she added fruity ice cubes for her sister. I think Lenny met the challenge too. Now you take the challenge. Think about some healthy drink choices that you have at home. How can you put together a refreshing summer drink for someone that you love? Please share your ideas with us, and if you're looking for more information about healthy choices, check out these resources.